We got Puppy wearing his Thanksgiving sweater.
I know.
That's cute.
Look at that.
Yeah. Is Puppy ready for Thanksgiving?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Thank you, Faith and Joshua, for the puppy sweaters.
Yeah.
You got the best dressed puppy in the neighborhood.
I know.
How do you rate?
I don't know.
Good puppy. What do you think of Puppy? What's on his sweater?
What's on his sweater?
Yeah. Tommy Turkey
Yeah.
for Thanksgiving.
Yes. Yes. Got all sorts of goodies. Yes. I see all your goodies.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Good puppy.